Hey, what is going on, guys? You have a iPhone 10, 10R, 10s, even the iPhone 11. I'm going to show you how to turn off the screenshot clicking sound. So every time I take a screenshot, if I press the volume up and the power button together, if I just press both buttons simultaneously really quick, you can hear it. Now, if you want to go ahead and turn off this clicking sound, the only thing you got to do is put your ringer on silent. So if I put it on silent, and you can see there's a little mute button here on the side. Let me go ahead and put it on silence. Now when you take a screenshot, you don't hear it no more. You want it back on, unmute it, and you have the sound back. Pretty simple. Any questions? Comment below. Thanks for watching, guys.